Welcome to our journey into microlearning. In this video, we'll explore what microlearning is and why it's becoming a crucial educational strategy. Imagine breaking down complex information into short, focused chunks that are easy to absorb and remember. That's the essence of microlearning. We'll delve into its definition, discussing how this teaching approach differs from traditional methods and why it's so effective. You'll see why educators, trainers, and students are increasingly turning to microlearning to enhance their learning experiences. Throughout this video, you'll get an overview of the microlearning model and its numerous benefits, such as increased retention and engagement. By the end, you'll understand how microlearning represents a powerful shift in educational strategies. Join us as we embark on this educational journey and discover how microlearning can transform your approach to learning and teaching. Let's begin our exploration, and in the next segment, you'll learn more about the specific characteristics and examples of microlearning. Microlearning is revolutionizing education by breaking down complex information into small, manageable chunks, making learning both quick and focused. It's a teaching strategy that prioritizes efficiency and effectiveness, designed for the fast-paced world we live in today. At its core, microlearning leverages characteristics like brevity, specificity, and relevance. Lessons are short, typically lasting no more than a few minutes, allowing learners to grasp and retain information more effectively. Instead of overwhelming learners with long sessions, microlearning provides bite-sized content that's immediately applicable. For instance, instead of a one-hour lecture on effective communication, a microlearning module might include a 3-minute video on active listening techniques, followed by a quick quiz. These mini lessons can be accessed anytime, anywhere, making learning incredibly flexible and convenient. We'll explore why this approach has become a game changer for educators, students, and professionals alike. Stay with us as we uncover the benefits, implementation strategies, and success stories that prove the power of microlearning. Welcome back to our journey. Now that we've defined what microlearning is, let's dive into the incredible benefits it offers. First and foremost, microlearning leads to increased retention of information. By delivering content in small, focused bursts, it helps learners remember and apply knowledge more effectively. Additionally, microlearning provides unmatched flexibility, allowing learners to engage with content at their own pace and on their own schedule. Lastly, microlearning significantly boosts engagement levels. The bite-sized, interactive nature of microlearning modules keeps learners interested and motivated. As we move forward, you'll see how these benefits translate into real-world success stories and practical applications. Stay tuned. In traditional learning environments, we often face considerable challenges. Lengthy sessions stretch our attention spans thin, making it hard to absorb and retain critical information. This often results in information overload, where our brains are bombarded with more facts than we can handle. The outcome? Low engagement. Students find it difficult to stay motivated and focused, leading to a less effective learning experience. These issues highlight the inefficiencies of conventional educational methods and the urgent need for a change. As we move forward, you'll see how microlearning addresses these pain points, offering a refreshing and effective alternative. We spoke with Dr. Jane Smith, an expert in educational strategies, to understand why microlearning is so effective. Dr. Smith highlights that microlearning leverages cognitive science by breaking information into manageable chunks, fostering better retention and understanding. Studies show that short, focused learning sessions significantly improve memory recall compared to traditional lengthy classes. Real-world examples further validate this. For instance, companies that have implemented microlearning report more engaged and knowledgeable employees, able to apply what they've learned more effectively. Schools integrating microlearning into their curriculum have also seen increased student participation and improved test scores. Dr. Smith emphasizes that microlearning's adaptability makes it a versatile tool, suitable for various educational contexts. In the next segment, we'll delve into practical steps for implementing microlearning in your environment, exploring best practices and essential tools. Implementing microlearning involves several crucial steps. First, Identify the key learning objectives and break them down into bite-sized modules. Use tools and resources like microlearning platforms to create engaging and interactive content. Best practices include keeping each module short and focused, using a variety of media to maintain interest, and providing immediate feedback to learners. It's essential to tailor these steps to your specific audience for maximum impact. As we move forward, you'll see how overcoming skepticism and addressing common concerns can further enhance your microlearning strategy. Despite the numerous benefits of microlearning, some educators remain skeptical. Many raise concerns about its effectiveness in delivering complex material. Let's address these misconceptions head on. Microlearning is not intended to replace traditional education, but to complement it by distilling key concepts into digestible pieces. This approach can enhance overall learning retention and understanding. Consider the stories of educators who have successfully implemented microlearning into their classrooms. Take, for example, a high school teacher who revolutionized student engagement by breaking down intricate scientific concepts into manageable segments. Student performance and interest skyrocketed as a result. Or think about a corporate trainer who shifted from lengthy training sessions to a series of concise, targeted modules. The outcome? A more motivated and informed workforce, ready to apply new skills immediately. These success stories highlight how microlearning can address skepticism and transform educational experiences for the better. Let's dive into a real-world example of microlearning in action. In this case study, we'll explore how an organization successfully implemented microlearning and achieved remarkable results. To start, we'll introduce the company and the challenges they faced with traditional learning methods. The need for a more engaging and efficient approach was evident. They decided to try microlearning, breaking down complex topics into short, focused modules. We'll walk through their implementation process, highlighting the steps they took, the tools they used, and the strategies that made it work. Finally, we'll examine the outcomes. The impact on employee performance, engagement, and knowledge retention was significant, proving the effectiveness of microlearning. This case study not only underscores the potential of microlearning, but also provides a clear roadmap for others looking to adopt this innovative approach. As we reach the culmination of our journey through the world of microlearning, it's time to look ahead. The future of microlearning is bright and promising, with new trends and innovations set to transform education. Imagine a world where learning is more personalized, adaptive, and efficient than ever before. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and virtual reality are poised to make microlearning even more engaging and effective. AI can tailor content to individual learning styles, while VR can immerse learners in interactive hands-on experiences. Moreover, the rise of mobile and on-demand learning platforms will continue to democratize access to education, making it possible for anyone, anywhere, to learn at their own pace. This trend aligns perfectly with the increasing need for lifelong learning in our rapidly evolving world. As educators and trainers, we must stay ahead of these trends, embracing the innovations that will shape the future of teaching and learning. By doing so, we can ensure that our learners are well prepared to meet the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow. In conclusion, microlearning has shown itself to be a transformative tool for modern education. Throughout this journey, we've uncovered its key principles, delved into its myriad benefits, and addressed common concerns. We've shared insights from experts and showcased real-world success stories, demonstrating its effectiveness and growing importance. Now it's your turn. We encourage you to take what you've learned and start implementing microlearning in your teaching strategies. Whether you're an educator, trainer, or student, microlearning can revolutionize the way you engage with and retain information. The tools and best practices we've discussed provide a strong foundation for you to begin. Remember, change starts with small, focused steps. Embrace microlearning and witness the difference it can make in your educational journey. Thank you for joining us. Let's continue to innovate and educate, one micro lesson at a time. Ready to get started? Explore further resources and begin your microlearning journey today.